Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, Asusu Igbo. Are you ready? Now let's travel back to Igbo, a town in Nigeria. We did talk about profession today. In Igbo, Akoro. There are many professions in the world. Now let's see some of them. Now, if you are ready, let's go. Let's know about some professions. One is carpenter. A carpenter is Okwanka in Igbo. Okwanka. A tailor is Onyen Okwakwa. Okwakwa. A driver is Okoba. An engineer is an engineer. Onye engineer. A barrister is Okiwu. A judge is Okibe. A governor is a governor. A barber is Okbisi. A professor is Okankuzi. A handballer is Okobolaka. A chairman is Onisioche. Student Nwakwukwo. Teacher Onye nkuzi. Farmer, that is an animal, is onye na-akpa anụ. Farmer that is on plants is onye ọrụ ugbo. Somebody who imports goods is importer. That is onye na-atụbata ngwaahịa. Somebody who exports goods, an exporter, is called onye na-atụpụ ngwaahịa. Somebody who is a secretary in Igbo will refer to him or her as Odakwukwo. Odakwukwo. A computer programmer is onye na-ahazi computer. A writer is onye ode. Onye ode. A motorcyclist, somebody who drives motorcycle, is called onye ọgbatumtum. A security man is onye nche. An army is onye agha. Armies are ndị agha. But this person is onye uwe ojii. Somebody who is a seller. Somebody who is a seller is onye ọkwọ ụgbọ mmiri or ọkwọ ụgbọ mmiri. A senator is a senator. And somebody who is the governor or a governor is called in Igbo governor. A trader, somebody who trades, a trader in Igbo language, we call such a person Onyahia. That is it for today. We will continue next time. Hope you enjoyed learning with us. We say thanks for watching. Imeela maka isonyere anyị. Ka ọ dị mgbe ọzọ.